We are minutes away from the start of today's game between the Bengals and the Kansas City Chiefs.
You gotta earn it, huh? Give me your best. Let's ride tonight. Let's go get this win, dog. They gotta deal with us, man. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Back in the jungle, man. Y'all stay tuned and enjoy the show. It's gonna be a good one.
Set the tempo. We gotta be great tonight. Get used to feeling the ball, cause we gotta get it. Get used to feeling the ball, cause we gotta get that. Let's grind. Let's show it today, man. Let's dominate. Let's execute. Hey, do your job. Hey, do your 111. Let's be great today. Get the ball. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. I love this. We'll be moving chains all day.
Burrow runs a quarterback draw. Joe slicing toward the end zone, waiting for the touchdown signal.
Yes.
There it is! Touchdown, Bengals!
Excuse me. Touchdown, Joey B. Woo!
As they go 75 yards to begin the game, and Joe Burrow runs it in from the 4.
Glory, touchdown, bingo. That song gotta play all day.
Burrow throws a slant.
Nice.
Higgins with the catch.
Get in.
He breaks a tackle.
Get
He extends the ball. Touchdown!
Nice.
Bengals, as the Bengals score touchdowns on their first 2 drives.
Well, Logan, it's time to go to work. Time to go to work. Well, that's what time it is. Sam! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Mahomes
Finish.
looking.
Yeah.
He's grabbed and sacked.
Yeah.
Sam Hubbard sacking Mahomes at the 25-yard line for a loss of 8.
Good job, B. Good job, B. You better get down. You better get down. You better get down.
Pratt will bring down Travis
Ball
Kelce.
out.
The ball comes out.
Yeah.
The Bengals have it.
Yes.
At midfield.
Takeaway time. Takeaway time.
Germaine Pratt knocked it away from Kelce, and the Bengals recover as Pratt knocked it away, and it looks like Von Bell has the ball.
Unbelievable.
It ain't that I shouldn't celebrate it so much. I don't know why I did all that. I ain't do nothing. I was just. Hey, you gotta be ready to go for a quarter. We ain't done yet. We gotta keep on building.
Burrow wants to throw, short
Big.
pass,
Get in.
caught at the 5.
Boom.
Chris Evans into the end zone. Touchdown, Bengals! Cincinnati takes the lead with 8:54 to go.
Great job, Germaine. Great job.
Good job, boy. Good job.
That's all you, baby. That's all
That was you.
Running, hit,
Yeah.
tackled.
Aside.
He's sacked.
Aside.
Brought down by Joseph Osai
Yeah.
at the 36. It's 4th and 6.
Hell of a play, boy. Hell of a play. Joseph, hell of a play. He's got to take it in. Good effort, great effort to get him down. Great effort.
From 55 yards away, trying to tie it. Low snap, handled. The kick is on its way.
No,
It
no, get out,
is
get out.
No good.
Get out.
He missed it.
Nice.
And the Bengals will get the ball at their own 45 with 3:19 to go. Listen to the crowd here at Paycor Stadium.
Hey, let's not sugarcoat it. Let's just run it down the throat. Play on football right here.
Burrow drops back to throw, wants to throw. His pass over the
Oh.
middle.
Oh.
It is caught
Unreal.
by T. Higgins
Unreal.
in traffic at the 14.
Oh, more time. T. Higgins. Let's go. That's a dog. Can't with you. Can't with you. Who they? No. This boy, wait a minute.
And that is coffin nails.
Bam, bam, bam.